Hey there, folks. It's that time of year again when we're all itching to declutter and get organized. But have you ever thought about giving your finances a spring cleaning? Yes, you heard me right. It's time to dust off those bank statements and give your money a fresh start. And trust me, this is way more exciting than cleaning out your closet. Financial experts have a brilliant idea. Let's use this spring season to get our money matters in order. And the first step is all about awareness. You know how we sometimes mindlessly spend without realizing where our hard-earned cash is going? Well, it's time to shine a light on that. Grab your bank and credit card statements, and let's dive into the details. Download those spreadsheets, and let's uncover the truth about our spending habits. Here's a fun fact. Many people don't realize they can negotiate their credit card interest rates. Imagine that. You could be paying less interest just by asking. According to Matt Schultz, a whopping 75% of people who dare to request a lower rate get it. This is a game changer, especially since you don't need a perfect credit score. It's like finding a hidden treasure in your financial journey. But it's not just about negotiating rates. Building an emergency fund and tackling debt are also crucial. However, here's the twist. Don't get caught up in finding the perfect strategy. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the countless financial methods out there. Instead, focus on taking that first step and finding a system that works for you. It's all about motivation and consistency. What I love about this approach is that it empowers us to take control. We're not just cleaning up our finances. We're setting ourselves up for a brighter financial future. It's like planting seeds in spring, knowing they'll blossom into something beautiful. So, let's embrace the season of renewal and give our money the attention it deserves. Who knows? You might just discover a whole new world of financial possibilities.